Okay, so today I went to Pep Boys to change the light bulbs on my Mazda CX-7, and they said they couldn't change it because um, where the bulb is, it was melted. So I came home because I didn't trust them on the look of their face. So I came home and decided to do it myself. And let me see if I can show it. So I'm trying to remove, there's nothing melted. And there's the bulb right there. I'm just gonna take that out and replace and put a new bulb. If you can't get through here, maybe you can go underneath here close to the tires where you can, let me see if I can put the light on. You can see it there. There is a wire and I couldn't get that lower, the little rubber round piece, so I'm gonna try to do through the hood, through the engine here. And the mechanics on Pep Boys, they couldn't do it, or maybe they are too lazy, and because they don't charge a lot to change the bulb, they decided to set up a lie and say that it was melted, and actually it's not melted. So I'm gonna change and I will show you guys the results later. So here's the bulb that I just removed it, and now I'm just gonna take this one out and put a new one. Okay, so I already put the new light, the new bulb, and here it is. I just have to put it back and should be all good. So let me do that.